If you're looking to make the text or font larger in Safari on your iPhone, it's a simple tweak to help improve readability. Changing the font size is quicker than you might think. In this video, I'll guide you through 2 easy solutions to get the text just right for your eye. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Adjust text size in Safari settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap App. After that, scroll down again and find Safari. Next, scroll down to the Settings for Website section. Then tap on Page Zoom. Now choose the zoom level you prefer between 100% to 300% for websites viewed in Safari. Solution 2. Increase font size for accessibility. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Display and Text Size. Next, toggle on Larger Text. Then use the slider to set the text size to your liking. By following these steps, you can quickly adjust the text or font size in Safari on your iPhone, making browsing much easier on the eyes. If you need more help or have any other questions, feel free to reach out.